Hi, I'm Michael Lee, and I've been a real estate broker for over 40 years. More than ever, clients are questioning the value of the services we offer. As a result, sellers are asking for a discount on our commissions, and buyers want rebates. Over the years, I've learned the secret of how to get paid more to list a home and guarantee that buyers pay you for what you're worth. Come to my class, Justifying Your Commission, and find out how to show sellers why they want to pay the highest commission possible and why buyers should want to sign a buyer-broker agreement with you. Register now for Justifying Your Commission before you give away any more of your precious money.